Before we dive in, if you want to unlock thousands of top-rated courses for your team or organization, I've left a special link in the description and the first pinned comment. Go check it out while you're watching this video. You don't want to miss it. Today, we're breaking down Udemy Business Pricing, how much it costs, what you get, and whether it's worth the investment for your company. If you're an HR manager, team leader, or entrepreneur looking to upskill your workforce, this is for you. Udemy Business is the corporate version of the well-known Udemy platform. Instead of individual courses, it gives your employees unlimited access to a huge library of over 25,000 curated courses across categories like technology, leadership, marketing, design, and more. The idea is simple. Keep your team sharp, competitive, and future-ready with on-demand learning. Now, let's talk numbers. Udemy Business has two main pricing tiers. Team Plan, designed for smaller groups of 5 to 20 people. Pricing starts at around $360 per user per year, and it gives access to a curated collection of over 10,500 courses. Perfect for startups or small businesses. Enterprise Plan. This is for larger organizations. Pricing is customized based on the size of your company and specific needs. You'll unlock the full 25,000 plus course catalog, advanced analytics, custom content creation, and integrations with tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. The real value of Udemy Business isn't just the number of courses, it's the quality and flexibility. Employees can learn at their own pace from industry experts without expensive in-person training. Plus, you get measurable ROI with detailed usage reports and progress tracking. So if you've been wondering whether Udemy Business Pricing is worth it, the answer is simple. It's a cost-effective way to future-proof your workforce. I've placed a direct link below. Check it out and explore Udemy Business for your team today. Trust me, it's an investment that pays off. Like this video if it helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick insights on online learning.